Ever wondered if you could just copy that awesome Wix website you saw and make it your own? Today, we're tackling that very question: can you copy the format of someone else's Wix site? The short answer is it's complicated. Wix doesn't offer a direct clone website button. While you can't outright copy a site's structure, you can draw inspiration. Think of it like admiring a painting. You can learn techniques, but you can't just sign your name on it. Wix templates are a great starting point. Explore the available options, noting how they structure their pages, use headers and footers, and arrange elements. This will give you a foundation to build upon. Pay attention to specific design elements that catch your eye instead of copying them wholesale. Try recreating them yourself within the Wix editor. Note the fonts, color palettes, and spacing. Remember, Google penalizes duplicate content. Copying text, images, or entire page layouts will hurt your search ranking. It's always better to create original content that reflects your brand. So, take inspiration, get creative, and build a Wix website that's uniquely yours. Good luck, and happy designing.